Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your Forever 21 account right from your smartphone. Let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in the browser, navigate to the Forever 21 website. After you are in the website, make sure you are logged in with your account. You will be directly prompted to your account page on this website, but there is no options to delete your account over here. So this website doesn't allow you to delete your account. How we can do that is, if you simply search on Google how to delete your Forever 21 account, the official website has this information. Here it says, in order to request access, correction or deletion of your personal information, you need to fill the form or call at this number. So go to this article first. So here it says you need to fill the form. So there is the link of this form over here. Here you can see this form. So tap on this form. Now it will open you with this form. You need to fill up your information first. Here we need to delete our account. So choose delete my data first. The second question is, who are you making this request for? So if it is for your own account, then you can tap on yes. Now provide the details associated with your account. Provide your first name, your last name, your registered email with the account. Reconfirm the email. Provide your street address. Select your country, your state, your zip code. Provide your phone number. Once you fill up all your information, tap on submit button. And request to delete your account has been submitted to Forever 21. Now the authorized representative of this company will review your request and they will reach out to you through your email address. So you need to wait until they respond back to you. So that's the only way you can delete your Forever 21 accounts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.